Hey kids! Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky after it rains? Rainbows are like colorful smiles in the sky, and they have 7 beautiful colors in a special order called VIBGYOR. Let's learn them together. V. Violet, the first color. I. Indigo. B. Blue. G. Green. Y. Yellow. O. Orange. R. Red, the last color. All these colors come together to make the rainbow super colorful and magical. Let's begin with violet. Violet is a rich lavender shade, soft and calming. Now, moving on to indigo. Indigo is a deep bluish purple hue, dark yet vibrant. Wow! Look at the beautiful indigo night sky. Next, we have blue. Blue is a bright sky blue, clear and refreshing. Time to look at green. Green is a fresh grass green, lively and rich. Now, here comes yellow. Yellow is like a bright, golden sunflower, full of warmth and sunshine. After that, we have orange. Orange is like a warm, full of cozy, autumn vibes. Wow, look at all the pumpkins. And last but not least, red. Red is bold and vibrant, like bright red apples. Next time you see one, try to spot all the colors in VIBGYOR order.